The CR-V features a little walk-away lock feature. I'll show you how to set that one up in a second, but looking at the fob itself, on the back side of the fob is the Honda logo. Front side, you've got the lock button, unlock button, remote start, trunk release, horn or panic alarm, and then there's also a little button on the outside here, and that is a release for the emergency access key. So if the fob's ever died on you, to use it, you see that little keyhole there? Just gonna insert that key in order to be able to get inside. And then you can also use the emergency access key to lock the glove box. But using the features on the fob are straightforward. So to remote start, you just want to make sure you're locked first. Push and hold that little circle button. There we go. You can see there we're remote started. In order to cancel the remote start, just push and hold that circle button again, and remote start's now canceled. Then, there are a lot of other things you can do with the fob. So one thing to point out is that when the car's locked, the fuel door is also locked. So you just have to unlock in order to get inside. You can push and hold the button here in order to be able to open up the trunk. You can pause, push and hold again in order to close. There's also the option for a swipe kick. So you can kick in order to pop it open as long as you've got the fob on you. And then one neat trick, if you do a double push on the unlock button. So you're gonna go 1, 2, hold, watch this. You can release deposit part way or push and hold again. Look at that. And not only do all 4 windows open up, but so does the sunroof if you've got it available. Now, it's only gonna be power down. It's manual back up, but still, that's a really cool trick. Now, while this is loading up, if you want to walk through on the steering wheel buttons, the cluster, or the infotainment, you'll find it down in the description of this video. But to use all the tricks that I was showing you there, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to your home screen. From here, you're going to swipe across into your vehicle settings, and you've got a series of options here. So you've got your key access in order to turn remote start on or off. From here, you've got your lighting setup for some basics, but your door and window setup is where we want to go. So the walk-away lock, that's where if you've forgotten to lock the doors, you walk away, it's going to automatically lock it for you. And then you've also got your remote window control. So you want to make sure that that's toggled on there as well. But that's how you utilize the key fob inside of the Honda CR-V.